Hello guys. So today I'm going to explain you how to create the sliders in Bootstrap website, and also I will mix menu bar and slider into one. And in this lecture guys, I will tell you how to create this both the things without writing a single line of code. Directly we will take all the details from the Bootstrap website. So let us first go to the Bootstrap website. So this is the website. First, we need the Bootstrap starting. So Bootstrap starting program is this one. So copy this program, go to your HTML file and paste it. I already create one HTML file with home.html. This already we did, but still I'm using here. Now what I will do today very important because I'm going to add the multiple codes into one program. So we should write the HTML comment. How to write the HTML comment? Like this. We have to write exclamatory mark and 4 times hyphen. This is open, and same thing I will write for close. 4 times is there. Here I will write, suppose example, first I want navbar. So I will write navbar code started. Here I will write navbar code ended. Okay. Similarly, what we want guys, we want for carousel, nothing but slider. I will copy these 2 lines. I will paste it. Here I will write slider code started, slider code ended. Now, whenever we write any multiple codes, right? So code will be lengthy and you will get a lot of confusion. So with this comment section, it will be easy to understand. And we want all the code inside the container. So I will write div class container. Container means already you are aware, left and right space will be there in the content. Okay. So this I am writing inside the content. This is just for our understanding, not a HTML code, guys. Okay. Now, first I want to write the navbar code. So you have to go to the Bootstrap website. What you have to search? Navbar and type. Go to the first whichever the navbar is there. You copy and paste it. I copied and you paste it inside this one. In this both the line. Paste it. Done. Save and run the code. My navbar is there. You want to change the color. So I told in the last class, if you remember, instead of this, you can write the color. Let us say I want some green color. So what I can do? Success. So green color we got. Now below that, I want to add the slider. Guys, if you want to change these links and all, yesterday's class, you can see it. Or in the description, I will drop that navbar where I shown you how to create the manual navbar. You can change accordingly. Now let us go to the slider. So slider code, come down. Already we wrote here starting and ending. Come here. Now here I will copy that and paste that code. So go to again Bootstrap website. Search for carousel. Here carousel already will be there at the left hand side. Click here. Here you will have multiple carousel with you. This is first carousel. Down is second. More down is third. So difference is what? Here text is there. Here these lines are there. Here complete plain is there. So whichever you want, you can take that carousel. Let us take this simple carousel, copy this code and paste it. I will explain you the code, don't worry. And code started, slider in between, I will paste it this way. Observe very carefully, guys. Here first carousel example ID it is taking and class carousel and slide. These are the predefined classes, guys, for slider. Then to create that images, we are writing carousel inner. How many images you want? That many times this is one image, this is second, this is third. Suppose I don't want 3 images, so make it 2. How many you want? You can make it this. Carousel item active. Active means which you want to show first. That is called the active. And SRC. SRC is nothing but from where you want to bring that image. So already what I did, I copy and pasted here 2 images, slider 1 and slider 2. I will write here slider 1.jpg. And here in this dot, I will write slider 2.jpg. Observe very carefully. W100 is nothing but width should be completely, it should take it. And here also width should be 100. So both are width, what it is taking? 100. If you don't want 100%, you can remove this. Alter tag is nothing but if image is not displayed, what you want to display? Suppose I want to display as PR softwares. And here also PR software. Means if your image is not working, this alternate text will come on the screen. Below, you are having that carousel, next and previous option. So this code is for previous and this code is for next. So like this, your slider code is there. Come to your Chrome and click here. Now see, your slider is ready. Okay. Suppose if you want to add extra images, so what you need to do is you have to just come here. Right now, two are there. This is one div, this is second. You can copy and paste this 3 times. Just for understanding, I will write here slider 1. Save, come here, refresh. Check it. This is first image, second image, third image. Because first is I copy pasted 2 times, that's why that 2 is coming. Now here one thing is that these both are is very attached. You will say, sir, I want to give some padding on the top. So what you can go, you can come here at here, you will write style, margin, top 10 pixel. Means above margin, I want the 10 pixel here. See, you got some gap. So it means if you want to write completely, like complete your own thing, that is possible. Suppose you want to add the border. So I will write border 1 pixel, otherwise border 1 solid. Okay, let me just inspect from here and change it, guys. I will go to that particular element. Here I will come. Here I will write border 1 pixel solid. All right. Now see, this you have to copy. This is for testing purpose, guys, whether we are writing proper or not. Now you can see for test, my border is coming here. Same, I will come to my CSS. Here I will paste it there. Border 1 pixel solid. I have copied already, so I will paste that. So border 1 pixel solid red. So save and refresh. Now you refresh, it will come. Sir, I want to change the color instead of red. Suppose example, you want black, yellow. Just for understanding, I'm writing yellow. So you can see yellow. So like this, if you want to add some extra CSS, that is also possible. I hope it is very clear with these 2 topics. So navbar and carousel finish out, guys. Rest we'll discuss in the next videos.